Cause and effect diagram is one of the popular analysis and data presentation tool when it comes to quality. This tool is also known by many names. Sometimes you know it as a Ishikawa diagram, sometimes you know it as a root cause analysis diagram, sometimes you also known as a 5-5 diagram, sometimes you know it as a fishbone diagram. So you should be aware of all these possible names which are used for the same diagram. Now, in the PMP exam, the question will be presenting you a situation and you need to find out which type of quality analysis tool will be suitable in a given situation. Now, the fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram is basically suitable for understanding the underlying causes, the root causes which are leading to a particular problem. So look for that idea. If that is coming, then you need to choose cause and effect diagram. How it works? So it is like a fish. You have a head of the fish which talks about effect. So say we have lots of defect. So the head of the fish, we make a diagram and we can say, okay, here we have a lots of defects. Yeah, we start from there. Now we are trying to go back and trying to understand what is causing these defects. So we may take a high level areas, maybe a process area, people area and all. That could be a strong bone of that particular fish diagram. And then we can go into detail of each area, and the details which are more interesting, we can go 5 times deeper also by asking why. For example, process is not strong. Why process is not strong? Or we have not revisited them. Why we have not revisited them? We are not allocating sufficient time. Why we are not allocating sufficient time? So this way you go 5 why and try to identify the root cause of it. For PMP exam, you don't have to do a root cause analysis, but you understand it. Yeah, overall, what is expected is if the problem requires some kind of these deep understanding for finding the corrective and preventive action, I will use fishbone diagram or a Ishikawa diagram, where I will apply it as a part of lesson learned or as a part of a retrospective meeting in case of agile phase of working.